am going to have to do a tour of my studio soon, but this is it. This is where India Rain Reworked happens. So I am setting up to create a mood board for a TikTok. I have my phone here and I am going to record this entire thing for TikTok. So if you want to see it, it will be there and you all get to see kind of like a behind the scenes of creating a mood board. I'm very excited. I've been wanting to do this. So here we go. I am just taking some content of our mood board collection photos. This is the inspiration for our upcoming collection. I use this as kind of like direction for where I want to go with this, and this is what I have in mind as far as inspiration for this next collection. So I'm very excited for this. I am going to set the camera back up so I can finish the mood board, which it's not going to go there. It's going to go here. And we are done. This is our inspiration for our upcoming collection. I'm very excited about this. There's lots of great things here. I use this to kind of look at textures, layering, how things are styled, how things lay on the body, and this is just a great way to see all of it in one place. I love doing mood boards. I think they're so great. I think they're fun to kind of delve into your creative outlet. I think they're great for upcoming projects and you can just use them for anything. So love this. There's a little bit of everything on here and excited to go from here. So I am taking some pictures for our business Instagram and I'm just gonna do a little spiel of how I do it. I go for a more aesthetic kind of feel for Instagram. That's the direction I wanted to go with for the business Instagram. And I was like, you know what? I need to give some neck labels to my tailor. So why not just take a quick picture? I kind of do clean slates. So I love this white table that we have in here. And I'm gonna just kind of play around with it and take some pictures and just have fun with it. Very simple, takes less than a minute and it's just about having fun with it. And it's, you know, it's fun when it's your own Instagram and you can just do whatever you want. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play around. It's just supposed to be fun, kind of flowing like water here and going with what I think looks cool. Welcome to the India Rain Reworked YouTube channel. So I thought, you know what, we are very active on TikTok and Instagram, so why not try YouTube? I don't expect this to be an easy growth thing like TikTok was. I grew pretty quick on TikTok. But I am excited for this. I wanted to get familiar with one platform and give my all to one platform, and I feel like I've done pretty good for TikTok. This is going to be a small business focused YouTube channel all about India Rain Reworked, what we are, who we are, what we do, what we make, and the ins and outs of India Rain Reworked and this brand that I launched back in January of this year. So I'm very excited and I'm excited to start this new journey. I am excited for you all to see this first video. This is just the day in the life of the owner of a sustainable clothing brand, and I thought, why not? This is, you know, one of the ways that I grew on TikTok, so I wanted to bring that energy over to YouTube as well. So I'm very excited, and I hope that you all enjoy this video.